Hi all, this is Sammy from Avid CNC, and I have a quick pro tip video for you all about CNC work holding using one of my favorite methods. This is one of the easiest work holding setups that remove the need for tabs. I have two variations on how to use blue tape, one with foam tape and one with CA glue. For the first variation, simply cover one side of your workpiece with blue tape, or go ahead and put blue tape where you want the foam tape to go. Trim off any excess tape. You can use your hands to press down the blue tape, but I also like to use this little card that's meant for vinyl installation. Then apply double-sided foam tape strips to the blue tape surface, making sure to extend the length of the board to accommodate any twists in the wood to prevent rocking. It's also a good idea to take into consideration the shape of your final part to make sure the part and the drop material will both be held in place once cut. The reason I like this method is that the blue tape prevents the foam tape adhesive from sticking to the workpiece. The MDF spoil board will release the foam tape more easily without leaving a residue. Vacuum up any dust to ensure a clean surface for the foam tape to adhere to. I personally prefer this method for workpieces larger than 5 by 5 inches, so that there's enough adhered surface area to ensure the success of the work holding technique throughout the operation. Note that depending on the foam tape you use, there will be some variable compression in the thickness of the tape. This will alter the distance from the bed of the machine to the surface of your material, which can interfere with the accuracy of your cut depths if you zero to the bed. To work around this, make sure to set your Z offset to the surface of the material in your G-code program. The second variation is with blue tape and CA glue, which is a super glue with an accelerator. I happen to be using 2P10 here. Cover the workpiece in a layer of tape, making sure to overlap the tape. This is more important with this method as we'll be using a liquid adhesive that we don't want to seep into our spoil board or our workpiece. Next, mark the tape area on your machine bed where your workpiece will be mounted. Apply the 2P10 to one of the surfaces. Then spray the other surface with the 2P10 activator. It's important to work quickly as this bond will cure fast. Flip the workpiece over and place it in the desired location. Do your best to square up the material to the machine and press down for a few seconds. Great, now you're ready to cut your part. Always consider the variables when selecting your work holding method. This includes ease of setup for repeatability if you're working in quantity. You might also consider the overall cost. This is a great method for one-off unique pieces, but is less attractive for production workflows. For more work holding techniques, check the description below for a playlist. That's it for this pro tip video on CNC work holding. Thanks y'all for watching. We can't wait to see what you make, and I'll see you in the shop.